Okay, my last stop of the day. I'm at Weaver's Treasures. Don't forget, on January 22nd, we're doing a Weaver's birthday party on Whatnot, and we're going to do a live shop along all day. So in the meantime, let's go in and see what we can find for my Whatnot weekly variety sales. All right, well, first off, I'm obsessed with this snowman candle, but of course, I notoriously don't do candles. I've got some really great ones, though. Oh my gosh, look at the little gingerbread man book. That is so sweet. Ooh, I like what's happening here. Look at this. Blanco question mark. $40, 30% off. That is gorgeous. I have to do the math on that. There was something else. Oh, here it is. My gosh, look at this. I love this stuff. $18.50. It says chip on rim. Yeah, that's a pretty gnarly chip. What about this one? Oh, so pretty. 25 and 30% off. Let me do some math. Hold on. Yeah, so that one comes to $17.50, which I'm not too jazzed about. Great state of Ohio. But this comes to $28. That is really pretty. Oh, I'm kind of tempted to pick that up. Wait a minute. Hold up. How did I almost overlook this? Mongochella. Is that what that says? Mongochella Valley. 54. That's really pretty. I wonder if that glows. Let's find out since I have my black light. Yeah, it's got a little glow to it. I don't know that much about it. That's really pretty, the Ellie Smith. This book is always displayed so sweet. I love the, I actually really like the mix of vintage and contemporary. Also like the hand-painted furniture, really nice. But I haven't found anything I can't live without yet. I'm excited to go to Dana's booth. What is this? Such a fun little Christmas tea set. Wow, look at that. That looks like Empoli. That's really cool. $15. It's kind of epic. I wonder... It's missing the lid, as it usually is. Looks like it might have some kind of glow. Look at me going wild with the black light. Good grief. Look at all this Christmas. I'm gonna have to weed through this. A lot of it looks more contemporary than I like. Little Christmas garlands. Like I said, I'm kind of Christmased out. I'm being pretty picky when it comes to that stuff, especially after grabbing such unique Christmas today, like those Holt Howard eggnog cups. Well, I'm sure you see what I see. Look at this clamper. How fun is that? $7.50 and 20% off. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. What does this say? Believe it, you can do it. If you believe it, you can do it. Not so sure about that. I mean, I believe it, you can do it. If you believe you can do it. I'm just saying it's not my favorite. This, though, I'm definitely going to go ahead and grab. I love the magnetic clasp on it, too. I actually had a chance to grab a couple of these at Hummelstown, and I passed on them because they were a little close in price. Look at this guy. Spooky clown. He's adorable. Clowns are another thing. I'm kind of on a clown ban right now. Candle. I just love these things. I think they're so fun. Little pixies. This one's $6.50. I will say those have been kind of hit or miss for me recently, and I've had quite a few. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pass. Love this rubber angel. She's got crazy eyelashes. That looks like it might be Empoli too. Not so sure about that. $5. I'm not that crazy about it. And then I see this little 101 Dalmatian figurine. Enesco Japan, Disney, $6. That's not bad. Somebody's gonna want that. I'm gonna pass on it though. I don't know if it's really, now I'm second guessing myself. It's $6. Whereas it's a good deal, I'm just not excited by it right now. Oh my gosh, look at this Santa face. I'm looking for things that I'm getting excited about. And it's not that I would probably pick that up on a different day. A lot has to do with my mood, especially because, you know, I see so much stuff. I get in different moods. I like to switch it up. Keep things exciting. Well, this is exciting. This wasn't even here last time I was here. Okay, well, first of all, I see 50% off unless marked firm. Is that a thing? DIC? COR. Okay, so it's 2 different booths. Right? Yeah, so no discount on this side. Dang. Yeah, 2 different booths. Still, I see stuff on both sides that excites me at $50, so can't really do much with that for resale. What about this bamboo vase? That's kind of cool. $9.50. Bamboo, like, it says unmarked, but it's got a foil sticker on it, actually. And look what we have here. It's a glass hand. $30. That's a good one. The Canoa, $39. Little green lidded candy dish. Lots of stuff that's close. Again, nothing yet that is like absolutely necessary, although I'm pretty distracted by this. I actually just picked one of these up the other day. $20. Yeah. Little top hat, opalescent color. That's pretty. This is amazing. Opaque custard, glass pink ivory, rim glows, $20. Does the rim glow? I feel like that's not a bad price either. I don't know if the rim does glow though. I don't really see it. Maybe if it's in the dark. Yeah, I don't know about that. This is very cool. This little piece right here. $15. Let me regroup. So even though the rim doesn't actually glow on this, really, $20 still seems like a really good price. It's absolutely gorgeous. Considering picking it up still, but I want to see what else is out there. Well, look at this. Now, this is the booth that's 50% off. Let's take it one by one. This left in Kewpie, so it's like $4. Winking. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to get a bunch of Kewpies, I think. Now, the other one has repaired. Yeah, that's very repaired. Unfortunately, what about this one? $4.90. Yeah, it's chipped. And are they all chipped? I should probably double check. I think this one wasn't. That's why it was more expensive. Now, this one's repaired. That one's repaired. That's no. What about this one? It's like a bunch of broken Kewpies. How interesting. I don't see a damage on this one. For $4, so $2. And then they've got these ones back here. These ones have the little milk. Salt and pepper shakers. Oh, those are so cute. Are they damaged? Looks like, can't really tell, honestly. What about this one? Yeah, it looks like they've been glued. I'm gonna put those back. Now I'm like, I should definitely double check everything. This is very cool, even though it's damaged. What was I doing? You know, I'm kind of hesitant about the wear on that. I just had one of these, and I feel like I'm missing something, so I'm actually gonna put these back. I know I'm the worst, but I just want it to be absolutely pristine if I pick something up that I just had. I like literally had a Santa's and Kewpie sale less than 2 weeks ago and had a bunch of those same figurines, so don't want to get repetitive. Also, don't really feel like cleaning up bisque or risking bisque not cleaning up. Oh my gosh, look at this cookie jar. Candy cane American bisque. Wow, that's amazing. Big fan. And then you got the poodle earring holder. That's at $7. I'll take that. I love the poodle ones. They're harder to find too. Holiday tin. That's adorable. I like this milk glass too. These fun things. It's got a bird in it too. Well, look what we have here. Dice with the shell. Those are cool. They're like $2 each. Kind of feel like I'll take all of them, right? Dice are kind of hot right now. Now this is a really interesting one. 24. Oh my gosh, all right, I can't ignore it anymore. Come here, you amazing planter, made in Taiwan. He is fabulous. I've never even seen that before for $8.50. That's a no-brainer for me. I'm gonna grab that. And what about this blue vase? $8, that's pretty. MCM blue vase. For $8, I kind of feel like I can't go wrong with that. Wow, I really like this apple tray. Art glass apple ashtray, that's fun. So here's Dana's booth. She has really great stuff. I love the little elf. Down here, this nun planter. That's really interesting. It's a hobbyist piece. And then the little kissing angels getting married. I've never actually seen it set up like this. How cool. I really like this crackle glass amberina. Lots of fun dogs and doodads. And the owl. It's kind of, oh, look at the fun picture behind it. I love this little Alice in Wonderland. Even though it's contemporary, that is so cute. I also couldn't help but notice this poodle. That's not bad. Mr. Toodles. Oh, I really hope someone snags Mr. Toodles during the shop along. I'm gonna be jealous. Look vicariously through them for like a minute. $12, that is so sweet. I love the size of that. And then look at this little micro mosaic. That's so pretty. Can't help but notice this Viking dish. It's got little glass candies in it. What else was I looking at? Oh yeah, this is really different. This black glass one. Huh. Now this, I don't know, man. I'm kind of on the fence about it. It's $8. I know I can make money off of it, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to ship right now with all I have going on. It needs that extra something, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one back. I'm gonna hold out. Oh my gosh. I almost missed it. The reindeer. Holy cow. Now this is a hard to find thing. I didn't even know this size existed. I saw them once, actually. My friends Jess and James bought them and sold them without asking me anything about them first, which is insane. I know who got them. They got a really great deal. Good for you. They said they were keeping and not selling. This, I'm gonna look up because I've never even seen this size, but I have a feeling they're more worth it than that for sure. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. I'm double checking them just to make sure there's no cracks. They have like a little minor wear paint on the spots, which is normal. After the discount, they come to like $60 for the pair. I haven't even seen this exact set. Like I said, I've only seen the taller versions, so I think at $60, it's a lot to spend up front, but it's as kitsch as it gets. I feel pretty comfortable about it. Plus, love Dana. Now, of course, my next question is, why is this 50% off? I can't tell why it's 50% off. It's like $3.25. That's kind of a no-brainer. What is that, just white paint? Yeah, that's a done deal. Dude, look at this. This just caught my eye. They have like Limoges trinket boxes in here. They're a little spendy as they should be. Oh my gosh, like the radishes one. That's so cool. I've never even noticed those before. Wow, is that a little compact? Dude, I've never been back here. What in the world is this? Oh, it's a bird. That's really funny. Let's see, what else is over here before I go downstairs? Kind of distracted. What is this boot? It's kind of cool. It's really heavy. All right, here we go. I finally made it downstairs. Always find good stuff down here. 3 for $25, that's not bad. I love the little diorama ornaments. Oh my gosh, stop it right now. Look at this guy. He is so great. I love those clown salt and pepper shakers back there. And the bunny, I think I looked at him last time though. Oh, it's a really great ashtray. What else is in here? It's got some really fun jewelry. This is the same vendor I got those really adorable angels from at Boonesboro. I also see this little gold pixie up here. I'll check that out. These clown salt and pepper shakers are so fantastic. Unfortunately, the one that's got the winking eye has some damage, so I'm gonna leave them behind. But I am gonna go ahead and take this gold pixie figurine at $9. Oh wow, look at this doll. She is so old. German doll with no eyes, $10. How fabulous is that? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with her. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get that. What an epic find. Now look at this Santa. How fantastic, 22, that's not bad at all. A little close. I'm obsessed with this cat letter holder. Although at 27, it's a little close for me. Now this, okay, I was gonna say, yeah, look at that, the little flocked snail. That's a great one. Again, a little close. And I just had one of these Santa banks at the Heart of Ohio, actually. Now look at this little photo album. How sweet. Doesn't have any photos in it, but still, $2.50. I wonder if that would clean up a little. That's so cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that. Now here's another booth that I've been finding some really great stuff at. Like, look at this cat. Ooh, this cat. Japan, $9.50. It's kind of fantastic. And then look at this little ruffled edge, $20. It's a little close for me. These are weird, aren't they? Wow, they're like paper thin, hand blown. I think that's a really good deal. I'm just kind of nervous. This is so cool though. I love the imprint on it. Well, look at these. The set of 4 is $10.50. Those are so cool. They have all the colors, red, yellow, green, blue. I might get these. Let me look it up just to make sure, because it's gonna be a kind of a pain to ship. So I did see where they actually originally had a set of 5, and the last one sold for about $35. So I think when all is said and done, I'm gonna pass on these, especially because I'd want to sell those as a set. Again, some really great prices. Like this one's $8.50. The Hager is $22. This one's $15. That's really pretty too. But I'm just kind of looking for that special something. I was looking at something over here actually, and now I've kind of lost track. I really do like this red too. $8. It's nice. Now the other things I see, of course, is going to be this blue bangle and the purple one. Those are awesome. So much good jewelry in here. Whoa, look at that thing. It's wild looking. This is going to be a popular one on the shop along. So I ended up grabbing these 3 bangles. I love the shape of the clear one. I also got this adorable little vintage rhinestone eyeglass brooch. $5.20. Well, I got caught up talking to Nick. They're always so nice there. I cannot wait to do the shop along. I already scouted out a couple booths that will probably be popular. I think I spent like $123 in there. I honestly just pocketed my receipt somewhere weird. I'm distracted. It's time to get on the road. I gotta go home and pack. And tomorrow morning, I'm off to Ohio, my last trip of the year.